In the previous video, we discussed how to find the mechanical advantage of a pulley system. Now we are going to go through some calculations involving pulley systems. Before we do that, remember that the load force is equal to the effort force multiplied by the mechanical advantage. We saw this equation in the levers section and in the wheels and axles section. In this example, we want to draw two different pulley systems with a mechanical advantage of 3. If we have a mechanical advantage of 3, that means we can either have 2 pulleys or 3 pulleys. If we have 2 pulleys, the effort force must point up. Otherwise, if we have 3 pulleys, the effort force must point down. We can go through our two systems and count the number of strands. In the system on the left, since the effort force points up, that counts as 1 strand. Then, rounding the bottom pulley, we have strand 2, and rounding the top pulley, we have strand 3, which means our mechanical advantage is 3. In the pulley system on the right, we have the effort force pointing down, so that does not count as a strand. Rounding the top pulley, we have 1 strand. Rounding the bottom pulley, we have our 2nd strand. And rounding the middle pulley, we have our 3rd strand. Therefore, this mechanical advantage is also 3. In our next example, we will be using the pulley system from the previous example with a mechanical advantage of 3. We want to know how much load can be lifted with an effort force of 30 newtons. Looking at our equation circle, we see that if we cover up load force, we are left with effort force multiplied by mechanical advantage. We will take 30 newtons, which is our effort force, and multiply that by the mechanical advantage of 3. This gives us a load of 90 newtons. Next, we want to find the effort force needed to move a load of 80 pounds. To find the effort force, we will cover that up, and we are left with load force divided by mechanical advantage. We will take 80 pounds and divide that by 3 to get an effort force of 26.7 pounds. This concludes our discussion on problem solving with pulleys.